How to use Solidworks 2024. Hi, this is Rainbow Kitty Catty Core. When you first go in here, you won't see this. But you click on File, click on New. Choose which one. We're doing a tutorial of parts, or at least what you need to know. You do OK, or you can just do Ctrl+N and click on parts. So right now we're not gonna care about markup, evaluate, MMD dimensions, or so on. We're gonna focus mainly on features and sketches. So first you got to choose which plane. So if you do right plane, the shape that you form will look like this. As top plane, flat. Front plane, like that. Let's do top plane. So first we can use a circle, a quarter rectangle, or a polygon, which is a shape with more or three sides. So let's do a triangle. Then we click on this and voila, a triangle. But this is a 3D software. So how do we make it 3D? First, we click on this exit here or here. We go to features, click on this little thing, and now we do include bar/space. So we can see how many millimeters should go up to 50 millimeters. It goes up that much. And we can also go the other, which will also do 50 millimeters. We can also do the thin feature, which makes the shape like that, but the original shape is now a different color. So let's do 52. Now we click on check mark, and here it is. The middle's empty. And what if we want to add a different shape on it? You might think. Well, you click on this, get a circle, zoom out if you want, and let me just add a circle here. But what if I don't like it? Well, you right click it and do delete. And then you can click on that circle and that's the shape you want. Let's say. And if that is not the shape you want, yet again you can delete. It's all about trial and error. But what if you think that shape is absolutely perfect? Well, you can move the position. So here. Then you check mark. And so instead of being like somewhere in the corner and you don't like it and you want the vertex to be absolutely there you go. Next you exit out of it, add features, add that, add, now you're gonna have this thing. Voila! Now you know the most important basics of Solidworks. Get 3D working!